Welcome. We have a great party for all of you tonight. And listen, this is just one more way to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. We're so glad that you are all here with us. Walt said that Epcot will always be in a state of becoming. And look around at Epcot, the incredible transformation that's taking place all around us. This attraction, who got a chance to ride? It's insane. It's hard to describe. It is amazing. Our Imagineers have done an incredible job. I got to give a shout out to Kevin Feige from Marvel and his team, the Walt Disney World team, and of course, our cast members who are here every day making magic for our guests. Let's give them all a huge round of applause. Okay, if you're ready for some good food, some great music, maybe a few drinks, let's get this party started.
I don't believe it. It is a real tearing party.
Will, slow down.
Now, would you tell Easy Rider to slow down? Hey, dude. Hey, party animals! Are you ready to party? Dance off, bro. Let's go.
There's no stopping him now.
Take it, dude.
Onward, Gamora. Have a good party.
Taking it back. Oh, this is my song! Come on, guys. The party's just getting started. Dude, Gamora, wait!
Okay, we need to see everybody dancing. Everybody dancing. We're Nina Scott. We about to go out with a bang. Let's go. One, two, let me see your hands up. Woo! Thank you.
That was insane! I wish I could add that to my Zoom.
Here are warriors of music.
Oh, that is putting it lightly.
Music has stopped.
So it has.
Does that mean
Oh, don't tell me you're sad.
only the weak feel sad?
7 minutes you've had a good time.
I had. It was adequate.
Adequate, yeah. That's what we're going with. I would say out of this world, awesome! Whoa! Yeah, I like adequate too. Good night!